Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a blue shirt day, and let me adjust because I know my bra strap always makes an appearance. It just, I don't know why. But ignore my bed. There's a booger boy right over here sleeping on the bed, and you guys know that he likes to sleep on the bed and then I can't make it up. But I am going to go into the Prep and Hydrate Balm because I've got to get my butt to work. So we're just going to get through this really fast. I've already moisturized. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this and smooth her around. Alright guys, it is September the 1st. Who experienced the trouble with logging into BoxyCharm and upgrading? Me. me. I think 90% of the people that went on BoxyCharm couldn't get on there. I think I have a little bit of a blemish coming right there. So, they were experiencing high technical difficulties. And I have two, look, bam, bam, right there. So, no BoxyLux. I don't think they were prepared. I really don't think they were prepared for, but they should have known, man. They should have known how much traffic they were going to get today. I'm going to be using, this is C5. I've been using the C6 Makeup Revolution Concealer, and I really like it. A little bit there, a little bit there. And my hands are shaking really bad today. I don't know what's up with that, but I've told my doctor about it. So I don't know. This just blends out so well. It blends out so well. I'm going to pat a little bit up around the hairline there just to help those blemishes. I'm going to come back in with the Fit Me in Shade Light. Just a small foundation powder brush here. And just lightly tap a little under the eye. I have learned I cannot bake. Baking just dries out my under eyes so bad. I can't do it. I can't bake. Props to those of you that can. I'm going to take a little bit of the Wet n Wild on a bigger brush and just go over the rest of my face. Just make sure everything is nice and blended. I want to come in with, looking for a specific, there it is, this little brush right here. So we're going to use the Emily Edits palettes today. I've been playing with these all week and just now getting around to the video, and I have found that this brush here that kind of comes to a point kind of gets in those little pans better than a big fluffy brush. And 2 dabs is all I'm doing there, because this is pigmented. I mean, you could go crazy with that if you know you're very heavy-handed. And blush, just one little swipe. And this is the tapered highlight brush from BoxyCharm. Again, it fits into these little palettes, these little oval pans. That is my only gripe about this palette, is that these pans are oval and a big brush does not fit in there. Highlight, we're just going to go ahead and get all that done while we have it in our hands. But I do like the colors and the shades and everything in there. Next up, you know what's coming. e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. Yeah, we're zooming through this one, guys. No BoxyLux, no BoxyLux. I'm kind of sad, but kind of glad. Maybe on the next one, maybe on the next one. I'm not going to set that primer I am going to go into the Wants palette, Emily Edits. If I can get it open, there we go. I've been playing with this one all week too. I'm going to come in with the cream on a big fluffy brush and just go ahead and go up at the brow bone. So let me know down below if you looked up and actually got into the Boxy Luxe and got it confirmed that you were receiving it. Because I just kept getting that error page. That's all I got. I'm going to go in with Midwest. I think that's one that a lot of people have been kind of gravitating to. Midwest, same brush. I'm going to try to keep this kind of light today. I've been doing a lot of dramatic looks, and then I go to work and everybody's like, whoa, look at that eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to switch down to a smaller brush. This is the number 8 from my BH set, and I want to use some colors I've not really used. Capricorn I've not used. Top Story I've just used a little bit. Love Ton I've used about all of them. Let's go into Family. Let's do a little purpley bit here. See what that does. It may just totally clash with Midwest. Maybe not. Not bad. Nope, it looks good. Okay. Keep building up a little bit. I'm going to clean that brush off and just give it a little extra blend there. I'll come in with a flat shader brush and go into Capricorn. Keeping that right out here on this corner. Go ahead and drag a little underneath there. Then I think I'm going to come in with Bell Violet. Keeping with that purpley theme, and it's storming. Well, it's getting ready to storm. It is thunder rolling here. Lots of thunder rolling. I'm going to take a little bit of that and sweep at the front. And I hate driving to work when it's like really pouring rain. I hate it. I'm going to come in with Apartment just a little bit on that teeny tiny little pencil brush. Just go out here at the ends. Just deepen that up just a little. I'm going to take that little concealer brush from e.l.f. and come in with Eve Rose. I'm going to put that in the corner. Just a teeny tiny bit in the corner. All right, I think that's about it for Oz. I'm going to come back with that big fluffy brush. I'm cleaning it off in my switch. And I'm just going to blend the edge. I'm sweating already, guys. Lord have mercy. This is the Mega Length from Wet n Wild. I need to do a clean out of my use up drawer because I've not done that in like 2 months. So it's time to change that drawer out and switch some stuff around. I need to do a minor declutter. So we need to do that. What time is it? Okay. I keep up with Tom because I've got to be at work in an hour. I'm trying to be careful because my hands are shaking today. And I don't know what the deal is with that, but alright, so there's mascara. I'm going to take just a little bit of Wet n Wild. You know I got to knock some over every time. And just make sure everything is blended. No harsh lines. Alright, I think that's it. All but lips. And guys, I did buy me some new wet wipes, face towelettes, because I think it's the wipes I've been using, and I already changed it one time, and the pack I'm using now is again from TJ Maxx, and it's starting to get sore again because I had been using the wipe and the wipe only. Well, then I started, once I used the wipe, I would wipe my face back off with a wet washcloth, just plain water, to get any of that residue off, and it was clearing up, and I have forgot to do that like the last 2 nights, and it's getting kind of raw again, and I'm getting some breakout. So I got those to try because they're a name brand, and it's for normal skin, oil free. And I think I have used these before and they did not bother me. So they were, I got them for work. It was a 2-pack. I just had the wrapper. Look for the 2-packs when you go in there. Yeah, it was a 2-pack for $5.99. So $3 a pack. Not bad. Alright, let's see. For lips, I'm just going to put on a little bit of something glossy. And you would think I'd have a million of those laying around, which I do. I do. I'm just going to grab this. This is the Beautifully Bare Touch of Pink. Do I want Touch of Pink? No. This one is Touch of Blush. That one would be better. Just a touch. That's all I need. Alright guys, that is it. I'm going to take my hair down and let it dry a little bit more, because it is wet. And let's see, a setting spray. I think today I'll go with Mario. I think my mascara is dry enough. Nope. We're going to give my mascara another second to dry, and then we'll do it. While we're waiting on it, let's comb out the brows. I'm still upset that I broke my little dual-ended brow brush. Yeah, still upset. Time. Keeping up with my time. I'm just grabbing the Anastasia. I like this now that it has set a little bit and thickened up. When I first got it, I did not like it. I'm trying to make those match up a little better. There we go, that's a little better. One curves and one's straight, so I have to add a little curve to the one that's straight. Alright, get the lid on that. And you know what, I'm feeling a little funky. I'm going to take my Fenty and I'm going to add just a little bit of that over. There we go. Alright, are we dry yet? See, knock something over every time. Stay. All right, no smudging. My hands are shaking so bad today, guys. All right, that is it. Now I'm shaking you. For today, I gotta get ready for work, get my shoes on. See him? Can you see him? Yeah. Bed's not getting made up today. But let me know down below if you got the Emily edits and how you're liking it. I'm loving it. I am loving this palette. I've used it every day this week. Every day. I'll see you guys on the next one.